You're paying for traffic, Google Ads, SEO, and people are landing on your site, but the phone's quiet. Here's what's actually happening. That homeowner spent 45 seconds on your site, didn't see a reason to trust you, and called the next guy. Not because he's better than you, because his website made him look like it. In 2026, your website isn't just a brochure. It's the first sales call you never get to be on. And most contractor websites are losing that call before it even starts. Today, I'm walking through the 7 biggest trust killers I see on contractor websites. These are the exact things that make a homeowner click away instead of picking up the phone, and most contractors have no idea they're doing them. Let's get into it. Before we go into this, if you're running a home service company doing a couple million a year and you feel like you should be further ahead, you're not crazy. There's a reason for it. It's the same thing that we see over and over again. It's not a lead problem. It's what happens after the lead comes in. Missed calls, slow follow-up, no real system behind it. That's where money is being lost. And that's exactly what we're going to be breaking down at a small event we're hosting in Miami, May 22nd. How to scale past 10 million by turning the ads you're already getting into real revenue using better systems than AI. I'll be covering the marketing visibility side. Brittany Fisher is going to be talking about partnerships and growth. And Nihal Kaiser, who built a $100 million company, is going deep on sales teams, leadership, and what it actually takes to scale. We're keeping it small, around 30 people. If that sounds like where you're at, I'll put the details below. Think about the last time you're about to hire someone, a doctor, a financial advisor, a contractor for your own home, and you went to check them out online. What are you looking for? You're looking for proof that this person knows what they're doing, that other people have had a good experience, and that you're not going to get burned. Your customers are doing the exact same thing when they land on your website. Proof that you've done this before and done it well, and authority. Some signal that you're not just another guy with a truck and a logo, but someone who's recognized, certified, and trusted in the industry. Those two things together are what turn a visitor into a phone call. And here's what most contractor websites are doing instead. They're leading with family owned and operated since 1987, a stock photo of a roof they never actually touched, and a phone number with no reason to call. That's not a website, that's a yard sign on the internet, and it's costing you. We've worked with over 500 plus contractors across the trades, including roofing, HVAC and plumbing, remodeling, and more. And I can tell you the same trust issues show up on almost every website we audit. So let me walk you through all 7. Number 1, the first trust killer is not having a clear reason why someone should choose you over every other contractor in your market. There's a concept from direct response marketing called unique selling proposition, or USP. The idea is simple. What's the one thing you can say that your competitors either can't say or aren't boring enough to say? What's the one thing that you can say that your competitors either can't say or aren't bothering to say? Not a generic claim, a specific promise that makes customers think, that's exactly what I want. Most contractor websites fail this test completely. Licensed and insured, quality workmanship, free estimates. That's not a USP. That's a minimum standard to be in business. That's like a restaurant and advertising that they cook their food before they serve it. So what does a real USP look like for a contractor? Think about something like done in a day, good for a lifetime. That's a promise with 2 things built in, speed and durability. A homeowner can picture that. They can hold you to that. And it's specific enough that your competitor can't just copy paste it without being a lie. If someone lands on your website and can't tell in 5 seconds why they should call you over the 3 other guys they've already looked at, you already lost them. The fix: write one clear specific headline that makes a promise only you can own. Put it above the fold on your homepage. Make it about the contractor's outcome, not about how long you've been in business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our weekly contractor marketing content. Photos are the fastest way to either build trust or destroy it. I see contractor websites all the time with blurry project photos, dark before and after shots taken on an old phone, or worse, stock photos that anyone can tell are stock photos. Here's the thing, your work is physical. You build things, install things, replace things. Homeowners want to see it. High quality photos of your actual work tells them. These guys take pride in what they do. Pull out your phone and take 10 to 15 quality photos from your next job. Good lighting, clean angles, close-up details, before and after. That's all it takes. When your website is full of real professional-looking project photos, it sends a clear signal. This crew, these technicians, care about the finished product. And if you want to do something that's right, hire a professional photographer. I know it sounds like overkill, but one good photo shoot can give you months of content for your website, your Google business profile, your ads, your social media. It's one of the best investments you can make in your marketing. Your work is worth showing off the right way. If you hold any kind of manufacturer certification, that needs to be on your website, front and center. Let me give you some examples so you know exactly what I'm talking about. In roofing, GAF Master Elite, less than 2% of roofing contractors in the country qualify. GAF requires consistent installation quality, ongoing training, and a track record that most roofers simply cannot meet. It's not a participation trophy. It's a filter that eliminates 98% of your competition. In HVAC, Carrier Factor Authorized Dealer, Trained Conference Specialist, or Lennox Premier Dealer. These aren't handed out to everyone who installs equipment. They require technical training, customer satisfaction benchmarks, and ongoing performance standards that most HVAC contractors never bother to pursue. And plumbing, Navian Service Specialist, Bradford White Authorized Service Center, or Ream Pro Partner Status. If a homeowner is about to spend $4,000 on a tankless water heater installation, seeing that the company is factory certified on the exact equipment that they're installing is a serious trust signal. Most homeowners don't know exactly what these certifications mean, but they absolutely understand that they mean something. Those badges tell them a major brand they recognize as independently vetted you and said you meet a higher standard than the guy who just handed them a business card at the hardware store. And that's third-party credibility. And in a market where anyone can throw up a website and call themselves a contractor, third-party credibility is everything. If you've earned those certifications and they're buried at the bottom of your site or not there at all, you're sitting on your biggest credibility asset and hiding it from the people who need to see it most. This one's becoming more important every single year. Homeowners today, especially younger ones, do not want to call you to schedule an estimate. They want to go to your website, pick a time that works for them, and get a confirmation done. If your website makes someone call to get started, you're putting up friction right at the moment they're ready to act, and friction kills conversions. Think about how you book a haircut, a dentist appointment, a hotel room. You do it online. Customers are starting to expect the same thing from you. Adding an online scheduler to your website is one of the lowest cost, highest impact improvements you can make. Tools like ServiceTitan, Jobber, and HouseCall Pro all have this built in. There's no reason not to have it. Written reviews are good. Video testimonials are something else entirely. When a homeowner sees a real person, someone who looks like their neighbor, sitting in front of their new roof or their new HVAC system talking about how great the experience was, that hits different. That's not a company patting itself on the back. It's a real customer with a real story. After your next job, just ask. Pull out your phone and say, how would you mind doing a quick 60-second video telling people what it was like working with us? Most happy customers are glad to do it. Put those videos on your homepage, your service pages, and your Google business profile. Video builds trust faster than almost anything else on your website. You got 87 Google reviews and a 4.9 star rating. Amazing. But if someone has to open a new tab and go to Google to find them, you've made them work for the proof they need. Your views should be on your website, on your homepage, on your service pages, embedded, screenshot, or pulled in live, but visible right there where people are already looking. Most homeowners check reviews before they hire anyone. If they don't see social proof the moment they land on your site, their guard goes up. Don't make them hunt for reasons to trust you. Put the proof where the eyeballs are. The last one is a call to action. This is where a lot of contractor websites completely fall flat. Contact us is not a CTA. Learn more is not a CTA. Those are buttons with no direction and no reason to act now. A strong call to action tells the visitor exactly what to do, what they'll get, and why they should do it today. Something like get your free roof inspection, limited spots this week, or schedule your free AC tune-up before summer. That's specific. That creates a little pull. That gives someone a reason to act now instead of coming back later, which almost always means never. Every page of your website should have one clear next step, and that next step should feel worth taking right now. So let's run through all 7 points real quick. No unique selling proposition. Give people a reason to choose you specifically. Low quality photos. Show your real work done right. No manufacturer certifications. Use third-party credibility you've already earned. No online booking. Remove the friction when someone's ready to take action. No video testimonials. Let your customers do the selling for you. Reviews are not prominently displayed. Put your social proof where people can actually see it. CTA, weak call to action with no urgency. Tell people exactly what to do and why they should do it now. These aren't big overhauls. Most of these you can fix in a week, and every one of them directly affects whether a visitor picks up the phone and calls you or goes to the next guy on the list. If you want us to take a look at your website and tell you exactly where it's killing trust and losing your leads, go to contractormarketingpros.net and book a free strategy call. We'll audit your site, walk through what's costing you, and show you what a high converting contractor website actually looks like. The link is in the description. Book your call and let's get your website working as hard as you do. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. We put out new content every week on how contractors can grow their business with digital marketing. I'll see you in the next one.